Hi, I'm Nanda from Outdoor Life Singapore. The weather is fine and shine today at the East Coast. That's why I'm here to show you how to use the MSR WHISPERLITE International. At the Outdoor Life, we sell different kind of liquid fuel stove and the gas stove. This video is all about how to use the MSR WHISPERLITE International. The WHISPERLITE International is a liquid fuel stove, so you can apply the same kind of technique on all kind of liquid fuel stove. So let's get started. When you purchase the stove, it comes with the stove, base plate, windshield, standard fuel pump, maintenance kit, and the pouch to put all of them together. This is my stove. I've been using for the past 5 years and still rocking. I use 20-ounce fuel bottle for a short trip, and I have a 30-ounce bottle as a backup. Longer trip, I bring both of them together. First thing you do when you want to use the stove is put on the base plate. After the base plate, open up the leg of the stove. Then open up the fuel bottle. Put the pump inside the fuel bottle. Put this one in first, then just like that. Once the pump is secure, connect the fuel line of the stove to the pump like so. Then secure with the clip. Then you can start pumping like this. After all the pumping is done, we got to prime the stove. How do we prime the stove? We got to release a bit of fuel to the base, the reservoir at the base of the stove. So you slowly release it. Once the fuel is inside, then turn it back. Then we got to lit up the stove. There's too much of the wind going on. I got to put the windshield. Once the fire is about to go out, I got to release slowly. Then slowly adjust down to get the blue flame. Alright, my stove is on, pretty much on. You may or may not see the fire, but it's going. That's all about how to lit up the MSR WHISPERLITE International liquid fuel stove. All the liquid fuel stove from MSR can be lit up the same way as I just did. I personally like the liquid fuel stove when I'm traveling, especially to the Southeast Asia country where gas canisters are not easily available. The fuel bottle of the liquid fuel stove can be checked in on plane without the fuel, so I don't have to worry about not getting the fuel at the destination country, because liquid fuels are easily available at the most destinations. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy our video, please like and subscribe our channel, and do visit us at the Plaza Singapore, New Wing Level 4. I'll see you soon at the shop. Goodbye.